Hi there! Welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts, and today I purchased a 10,000 pound hydraulic jack. And I just want to do a simple unboxing and let's see what it's like, shall we? I've already had several of these, but I purchased this because we are going full-time RVing shortly. And I always want, when I go RVing, I always want a big jack in case I have to jack up the RV to change a tire or something like that. Not only that, if we're going to be on the road full-time, just to be able to pull this out instead of cranking up with that stupid windy thing on the car, just put this under the car and jack it up. These are so much easier, you know what I mean? So I don't know if you've ever had one of these before. I'll move it over here so you can see it, but they're so simple. But anyway, you simply take a little tool, and it comes like this, and you tighten it, and then you take the jack handle and it rises, and you can put up to 10,000 pounds on that. And if you need to make it taller, this screws out. I don't know exactly how far it screws out. 8 inches and 13/16. So I mean, that would screw out that much further. So I mean, you can go up quite a ways, and then it would jack up. Well, that's the minimum height. The maximum height is 17 inches. So that can jack up quite a bit, and it can jack up 10,000 pounds. The only thing is you want something bigger than this on the ground. I'd put a board or a brick under it. And then to let it down, you take this tool, and since it's got weight on it, it would automatically go down. But since it doesn't have weight on it, I'm gonna have to push it down. Then just screw that down. The big red 10,000 pound hydraulic jack. Tell me that isn't easier than doing that whole scissor jack thing under your car. Get one of these today.